To sell handmade soap and bath products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products on this platform, which is Etsy.com. So here guys, if you don't know what you can do in this platform, it's Etsy.com. It's a popular platform. It allows you to sell your own products, your handmade products and so on worldwide. So it offers you to create your own products pages. As you can see, these all are product pages. Type in your description, your price and so on, and you can sell them wherever you want. So let's get started by clicking on the sign in button to register your new account. And if you already have an account like me, just type in your email, password and click on sign in. Let's click on sign in. Then as you can see, it's the same page that we've been in. The only thing that changed is this: you have your account button, as you can see, and right besides it you have the shop manager button, which is where we can create our products page or our shop. So I'm going to show you how you can do that from the start, which is the shop preferences. So you start from the shop preferences and you keep going, filling these informations until you reach your shop security. So whenever you're done with filling one of these steps, you click on save and continue. So let's start with the shop preferences, where you choose your language, your shop country and your shop currency. So guys, always make sure to leave your shop currency in the United States dollar, which makes it easier because it's the most popular currency in the world. Then we click on save and continue. Then you choose a name for your store or your shop. So I'm going to use the niche's name as my shop name, which is the handmade soap and bath products. And here make sure to remove every space between the words, no special characters also or accented letters, and make sure also to type a small name which is between 4 and 20 characters. And as you can see, this is a long name. I will need to remove products, and here we are, the name is available. So let's click on save and continue to proceed to the stock your shop. And in this step, if you don't fill these informations, which most of them are obligatory, you will not be able to proceed to these other steps. As you can see, when you click on save and continue, it says fill out all of the required fields correctly in order to preview or save. So here you will need to fill all of these fields in the right way. Starting with photos, you will need to upload at least 10 quality photos, a primary photo, every angle, variations, styled scene, in use, details and so on. And also make sure to follow these tips, it will help you. Use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn or used, shoot against a clean, simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then you will also need to add a video for your product, as you can see, and here it says at least one photo. I made a mistake before, I said at least 10, but here they say at least one. And the video also is not obligatory, as you can see. If you have a video, you can upload it. It will help sell your product. And if you don't know how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link and you will learn how you can make your selling videos. And also make sure to follow these tips: film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used, adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim for 1080 pixels or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. Then you will need to fill these listing details, as you can see, the title. So here I'm just going to type my niche as a title again. Then you will need to answer these questions: who made it? For example, I did. What is it? Finished product. When did you make it? Vintage, recently, or not yet made? As you can see, so I'm just going to go with recently, 2020, between 2020 and 2023. Then I'm going to choose the category of this product. Just type in again your niche's name, and here you have a lot of categories related to your niche, so just make sure to choose the one that fits you. And if you want to fill these optional information, if not, it will not affect your proceeding to the next step. Then choose one of these options, automatic or manual. Also choose one of these options for type, if it's a physical product or a digital product. Then for the description, if you want to make it easier, just go to ChatGPT and give them a line or two talking about your product, giving them some information about it, and tell it to give you or write a description for that product. Then you have the section, tags, materials, if you want to fill them, and the three of them are optional. Then you have the price. So here price must be between 0.20 and 100, as you can see. Then if you want the domestic and global pricing, you can turn this on or off. Type the quantity that you have in that product, the SKU number, and if you have variations you can add them in here. And here you have the shipping settings and the return and exchanges policy. So that's it guys for today's video. When you're done filling these informations, just click on save and continue, and you will proceed to the next steps. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.